In this Uke Like The Pros review, unboxing, you're not going to want to miss this one. Yes, I know it says caller right here, and they are involved in this, but this is something you have never seen. Wait till you see what's inside these 3 boxes. Welcome to Uke Like The Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and you got to stick around because you got to see what's in this. This has been in the works for a long time. I may have shared a little bit here and there, but this is it. They are here. These 3 ukes right here. I'm going to unbox them. I'm going to play them. I'm going to describe them. We're going to go over them, but you got to stick around. Stick around. So if you're new to the channel and you like reviews, unboxings, challenges, tutorials, everything else, giveaways, this is the place for you. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And if you dig in anything here, help me out by leaving a comment, smash that like button, and sharing this video. So, are you ready? We're going to get into not 1, not 2, but 3 very special ukuleles right now. We're going to start with this one right here. This is the Tenor. All right. Now, this is a very special partnership between Uke Like The Pros and KA-ULTP. I want to give a shout out to all the folks, the wonderful people at KA-ULTP for making this happen. This is a KA-ULTP and a Uke Like The Pros model. This is something you've never seen before right here. Up, 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 and did the heavens just part? Okay, this is the Tenor Size. All right, this is, welcome. I'm introducing the first of the Uke Like The Pros KA-ULTP partnership here, and this is the Tenor Size. Now, you might notice here, besides being a Tenor Size, it has a cutaway, it has an EQ system as well. Oh, look at that, and it has a strap on. But you haven't seen this anywhere before, so I'm gonna do a little playing, and yeah, why don't I do a little strumming, and then I'll grab the second one you can see. All right, here we go. By the way, did you notice? Uke Like The Pros. All right, now the second one is a concert. By the way, this is called the ULTP, Uke Like The Pros JT model. That first one was the Tenor/CE because it has a cutaway and the pickup in it. I'll do some playing without, and then I'll play some with the pickup here in a little bit. All right, the next one here is basically the same thing, except for the concert version. Yep, so the concert version, exactly the same thing. Concert size, let me drop this. Boom. Except this one is going to be concert. Still going to have the pickup. I mean, how cool. Boom, boom. I'll talk about these woods in a second. And I actually will talk to you about this mistake. This is a mistake right here, but it turned out to be really awesome. And this one has a EQ as well. Let me play a little bit. All right, how cool is that? But we got one more coming, and then I'm going to tell you about why we created this really amazing ukulele. Anyway, what do you think so far? Leave a comment below. Let me grab the last one. Now, what do you think the last one could be? We did a tenor. We did a concert. What could that third one be? Well, it's gonna be a little different than you think. Yes, it is a soprano, but I want it to fall out. It is a Soprano Longneck. All right, so soprano body concert long neck. Now this one, if you notice, doesn't have the cutaway. This one doesn't have the pickup as well, but what a super cool uke. Let me do a little playing, and then we're gonna dive in to all these very cool things that are going on right here. All right, so we went with the soprano, but with the concert neck. So it's going to give you a little bit more space. By the way, these will only be one place, which is very fitting, which is the #1 store for all your ukulele needs and the #1 KA-ULTP dealer in the world, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. So, all right, are you ready? Let's dive a little bit deeper into these things. What do you think? Leave that comment below. I just played them all. We're going to do a little bit more, but how cool are these? I mean, these are freaking amazing. All right. Let me grab the tenor, and we're going to dive a little bit deeper into these ukes. All right, I got the tenor back. Now, the model here, ULTP, Uke Like The Pros, JT. Now, originally, the wood here was supposed to be JT, that's J-A-T-I, and then it was supposed to be teak, and then it was supposed to be JT again. But there was a little mistake at the factory, and instead of using teak, they used rosewood. So really it should be the JR, but if we're going to keep it at the JT. So anyway, JT, rosewood, JT wood. Okay, this is an all laminate uke. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this to you is because I want to have a uke that's kind of a entry-level uke, a beginner uke. The price points are ridiculous. The Soprano Longneck is actually under $100, and the tenor with the cutaway, with the pickup, is in the low 100s. So that is just phenomenal. So I want to bring a product to you that sounds good, that looks cool, that is different from anything else out there, and is at a ridiculously awesome price point. Okay, so tenor size, you got the cutaway, you got the pickup. I'll play with that in a second. Now, the rest of the wood here is you have the Marathi, okay, Marathi neck. It looks like mahogany. It's just a nice hardwood. The coolest thing here, Uke Like The Pros. That's the tag team right there. You got 1 3/8 nut width here. You have a 17-inch, just slightly under 17-inch scale length. And then you have the, what is this, Nandu hardwood, which is a really nice hardwood right here on the fretboard. And the bridge, it actually looks like rosewood, but the nice dark color. Actually, it almost looks a little bit like ebony, but it's a Nandu wood. So anyway, the other thing is, boom, strap button. And then that's where you plug it in. All right, let me play a little bit. And then, and then I'll plug it in, and I'll show you the other two here in a second. What? I mean, again, beautiful price point. This is all laminate. So what that does is a couple things. It keeps the price point down. 2, it's super durable, right? So this is a great thing to have around. Kids can have it. You can take it to the beach. You can travel with it. It's going to hold up really, really well for that. All right, what I want to do is I want to plug in so you can hear this pickup, and then I'll show you the other two. What do you think right there? That's the pickup right there. There is a tuner in it. It's got the bass, the treble, and the EQ, and the volume knob right there. How crazy are these? These are awesome. Can't wait to read your comments below. All right, let me just grab the other two here before we get out of here. All right, so I just wanted to bring the other two back in here just so you can see them once again. The specs are exactly the same. There's nothing different between these. Remember, the only difference here is the Soprano Longneck Soprano body concert neck is that it doesn't have the pickup and it doesn't have the cutaway. Okay, and that's really nice on a soprano because it gives you a little bit of a fuller sound. But everything else is the same. You have the 1 3/8 nut width here, and then on these concerts you have the 15-inch scale lengths for both of these. So, man, I am so happy. I'm so proud of these ukes. These are going to be a fantastic uke for you. And we can get them. Remember, store.ukelikethepros.com. And if you like anything that I'm doing, everything I play, I show you over at ukelikethepros.com, the #1 site to learn ukulele, over 20 courses. We got membership and a fantastic community over there. So let me show you these three. I wanted you to tell me which one is your favorite. Do you like the tenor with the cutaway and the pickup? Do you like the concert with the cutaway and the pickup? Or do you like the soprano with the concert neck? All right, so I appreciate you watching this video. I'm so proud of these. As I mentioned, these are gonna be amazing ukes for you. And whether you're a beginner, you've been playing a while, you want something to travel with, ridiculously priced, super cool quality, and you got the collar and the Uke Like The Pros right there on the headstock. So anyway, store.ukelikethepros.com. Thanks for leaving a comment, subscribing, smashing the like button, sharing this video, all that kind of stuff as well. If you want to find out more about us, you can also follow us over on our Patreon channel and then all of our social media stuff. So anyway, great job for sticking around. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this. And again, the Uke Like The Pros KA-JT series of ukes, store.ukelikethepros.com.